Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday. Me and my family had a really good time making it. Anyway, I got an email today. I can't tell you who it is because it just came up with the email address for the name, so I have no idea what this person's name is. So this person is also friends with Dan Brown, I assume, and asked me if I could solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, to answer your question in short, yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. To show you that I can solve it, what I'll do is show you. So here's my mixed up 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here goes. And there you have it. If you'd like to see me solve one of the other Rubik's Cubes, feel free to drop a comment down in the ear. Make sure you tell your friends to subscribe too. Don't forget to post your ideas for Thursday's show down in the ear. You can also send me an email at endlessgrind78@gmail.com. I also need a challenge for tomorrow. Nobody's challenged me. Bertovsky, you're out of the running for a couple of days, alright? You guys should check him out though. He's got some really funny stuff going on his channel right now. It's Bertovsky, B-E-R-T-O-F-S-K-I, Bertovsky. Check his channel out. And Chinwart, I just wanted to thank you very much for the shout out that you did the other day. You guys can check him out too, C-H-I-N-W-A-R-T. He's right here on YouTube doing some fantastic stuff over there. He's a really good vlogger from Northern England, so check him out too. What else did I want to say? Oh yeah, take care guys.